Today we're gonna try Sun Salutation. Now it's not gonna be a traditional Sun Salutation because I added some variation, especially if they're in the beginning stages of their yoga practice. So Sun Salutation is a very high in energy and it's technically connecting movement to breath in that Vinyasa flow-like situation. So I really want to focus on the breath aspect over all of the poses because I don't want you to feel overwhelmed. We're just going to work our way into that. So you ready? Let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start off at the front of our mat in mountain pose. Grounding through the toes. We're going to inhale, reach the hands up towards the sky. Taking a deep breath, inhaling, and then we're exhaling and find ourselves in forward fold. Notice the bend in the knees. Relax to the crown. Let's inhale, lift up halfway. Deep inhale and exhale, finding forward fold. We'll take our time and we'll reach the right leg back and the left leg back, and we'll find ourselves in kneeling plank. Strengthening through the belly and the arm. We'll take a deep exhale and drop the whole body down towards the floor. Pressing into the palms and the pelvis, we'll inhale, lift up for cobra. Exhale, finding ourselves laying flat on the floor again. We'll take a deep breath and lift up to a kneeling plank. Nice and strong. Exhaling, finding ourselves in child's pose. We'll take a deep breath here, reaching those hands forward and resting the hips back. We'll breathe in and out, and we'll transition to downward facing dog by tucking those toes, planting the hands and lifting the hips up high. Again, noticing the bend in the knees, pedaling the heels one by one if that feels good. And then after one more round of breath, we'll tiptoe our feet towards our hands. And dropping the crown, again shaking the head yes and no. We'll inhale, lift halfway, deep exhale, forward fold. And then we'll root down into the toes as we rise back up, lifting the hands up high, and then we'll bring the hands to heart center for mountain. Deep exhale and release. Okay, let's check in. How did that feel? This is a great time to pull up the leggings if they fell down. But okay, so we're gonna try that again, and then we'll give you a chance to try it on your own. So we're gonna do it 2 more times. I'm gonna guide you through the next time, really focusing on the breath. And the last time, I'm just gonna focus on the breath entirely. Inhaling, lifting. Exhaling, reaching forward fold. Inhaling, lifting halfway. Exhaling, finding forward fold again. Take a deep breath and then we'll find ourselves in kneeling plank. Nice and strong foundation as we exhale, lowering the belly down towards the floor. Inhaling for cobra. Exhaling back down. Nice and strong. Inhale, kneeling plank. Exhale, child's pose. Taking a moment. And then we'll find ourselves in downward facing dog, lifting the hips up high. Exhaling, walking the toes up towards our hands, forward fold. Inhaling halfway up. Exhaling, forward fold. Rooting down and we'll rise up. And we'll bring the hands back to heart center, checking in mountain pose. Release. We're gonna try it one more time together. This time really focusing in on the breath. Inhale, lifting. Exhale, reaching down. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, forward fold. Inhaling, plank. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, kneeling plank. Exhale, child's pose. Inhale, hold. Exhale, reach those hands forward. The next breath we'll find downward facing dog. Inhale, lifting. Exhale, finding our stretch. Inhale, walking the feet towards the hands. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, folding. Inhale, big root to rise. Exhale, bringing the hands back to the heart center. Exhale, dropping those shoulders. Inhale, lifting the chin. And we release. Okay, guys, so this is literally one of the best things you can do. If you're on the start of your practice, please give it a try. Let me know how you like it or don't like it, or if you need assistance. I'm here for you. Thank you. Namaste.